my beautiful family, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to be talking about this cream here, Body Treat Maxi toner. Recently I recommended it to because I actually know that the cream helps with the body pigmentation, freckles and all of those things on the body. The truth about this cream is that it works. Okay, so if you're somebody having spots on your body, having any skin discoloration, having skin reactions from using a bad cream, and you need a cream that you're going to move to before you maybe get to the perfect cream you want to use, Body Treats is that cream that will help you to correct your skin. Okay, so this cream contains 1.8% hydroquinone. Now, a lot of people run away from hydroquinone because back in the day, brands or companies started misusing this hydroquinone because of the effects in the body. It lightens the skin and all of that. So a lot of products, a lot of brands started misusing it. So people sort of now got scared of hydroquinone. Anybody who now wants to buy cream say, give me cream without hydroquinone. No, thinking hydroquinone is the devil, but they are more harmful products or ingredients that skincare products actually contain that you have nothing. Yes, and you don't even have an idea. So it contains 1.8% hydroquinone, which is totally safe for the skin. Now, it is prescribed to use hydroquinone in 4% for severe cases, and then in normal cases 2%. So this cream thought it wise to even go lower than the 2%, which makes it very safe for your skin. So the person actually prescribed this thing to she had things on her body, spots, white marks and every other thing like that, and this cream has really done a good job, and I thought it wise to bring it to your knowledge. It's actually a good cream that anybody can use. It doesn't bleach your skin. Okay, it doesn't bleach your skin, it doesn't lighten you sort of, it just helps you to brighten your original complexion. If you are dark caramel, if you are fair, it will help you to brighten your skin, and most importantly help you to heal any hyperpigmentation and all of that. According to Google, it says hydroquinone is a chemical that bleaches the skin. Okay, people may use it if they have a hyperpigmentation skin condition such as melasma, freckles, or lenticini. So yeah, something like that. It is used for treating skin conditions, and it is also a lightening agent. Okay, fine, which makes this cream, now if you are somebody that you were bleaching before and then you want to use a cream that is not going to like bleach you but still maintain some fair complexion for you and not get you dark, this cream would actually do it for you, and it will help you. I've actually seen a lot of testimonies of this cream, people having spots on their face, and you can use it on your face like if you're in the correctional stage of your skin. Just like I usually say, if you are in the correctional stage of your skin and you want to get your face and your whole body to blend, my own advice, so I'm not a beautician or a licensed anything, my own experience and my advice to you is to use a body lotion you can use all over your body, and then when you get your desired head to toe skin complexion, you can now start doing face cream and body cream kind of thing. But initially, if I'm to recommend, I would say use a body cream that is suitable for your face and your body. That is how I was able to get an even skin tone complexion. It's actually difficult to do that when you're still trying to correct your skin using two different ingredients. This one might be lightening, this one might not be lightening. Your face will be fair, your body will be dark, your face will be fair. That circle is very, very draining. So this is a cream you can use on your face, on your body without any reactions, and it is going to help you if you have spots on your face, if you have any hyperpigmentation, if you even have black spots, dark spot and all of that. It is going to clear it. Now this has sizes. This one actually is a small size, it has the medium size and it has the big size. This one was gotten for 3,100 naira, and then I think that day I went to get this for her. The medium one sold for 4,000 naira or 4,001, and then the big one sold for 5,000 naira, if I'm not mistaken. But just know that this is around 3,000 something. The medium one is around 4,000 or 4,000 something. The big one is around 5,000 something. Okay, so yeah, that is all about this cream. Let's a quick glance on the ingredients: water, stearic acid, a lot of names, glycerin, shea butter, yeah, the hydroquinone, obviously, allantoin, and all of those good stuff. But the point is, this is a good body treatment cream. This is a good body maintenance cream. Okay, so this is a cream. I know somebody that she has been using this particular body lotion, this body treat, since her teen, and now she's a big lady, like a grown lady, and this is her cream. She has never changed it, and she has this beautiful, fair, not whitish fair now, this beautiful brownish fair complexion. I think that's what they call caramel, but it's a bit above caramel, but just very beautiful fairness. Okay, she has been using these body treats since she was 18 or so. So this is a cream that is suitable for both guys and girls, any complexion you are. It's just going to brighten your skin complexion. So it's not a lightening cream, or it's not a whitening cream, it's not a bleaching cream. So don't think because it contains hydroquinone it is going to bleach your skin. Mostly hydroquinone is even more treatment ingredients than a whitening bleach. Now when you put it in excess, it now becomes a bleaching something. But basically, hydroquinone targets freckles, targets spots on your body, on your face, and clears it up and blends your skin complexion. So this cream also helps to, okay, let me just read what they wrote on the body. Right? It said Body Treat Maxi Toner Lotion is an intensive all-over body treatment that fights against the appearance of dark spots and to recover a luminous and perfect complexion. This formula contains a unique combination of skin softness and protective moisturizing agents to gently care for your skin, and has a targeted action on the reduction of melanin. Okay, it promotes clear and luminous skin, fights against the appearance of pigmentation marks, and protects from the harmful effects of UVA and UVB rays and cell oxidation. That is, it also has sun protection. So if you're using this particular cream, you are not going to get sun damage, or you are likely not to get sun damage, because it has ingredients that will protect you from sun rays. So this cream is not that one that you'll be rubbing. If you now wear a top like this, by the time you go inside, this place is darker than the inside of your body. This is not the cream that will do it for, because it can protect you from the sun. So overly, or my point for this video is, if you're having any skin discoloration, any skin pigmentation, any dark spots on your body and all of that, try Body Treat. Okay, it is going to help you. This particular orange, yeah, this particular orange one, I think it comes in different colors, I'm not sure now, I will check. But this particular one, okay, it is going to help you with your skin, evening out and clearing any spot things on your body. So if you have used it before, if you have any more thing to add or questions to ask about this particular lotion, yeah, let us know in the comment section. It's not going to make you sweat. It's actually a light cream. Okay, it is lightweight. It's not going to make you sweat, and it has a mild fragrance. Let me show you. Like, this is the texture of it. So it's in between. It's not thick and it's not light. So even if you have oily skin, you can use it. If you have dry skin, you can use it. It's not that cream you are going to apply on your body and it's just going to sink into your body and do like you didn't apply any lotion. No, it doesn't sink and disappear. It leaves this moisturizing feel to your body. As you can see, it leaves this, it has a little bit of oil to it. It is not that oil that will make you sweat. It doesn't make you sweat at all. Okay, so that's all for this review. Yeah, that's all about it. So if you have anything you want me to review, any product you want me to review, let me know in the comment section. And if I can't get the product physically, I can read up about it, watch reviews about it, check the ingredients most importantly. Ingredients is very important when it comes to anything you're applying on your body. Okay, that's what I want you to get in this channel. That's why I'm particular about mentioning ingredients to you and lecturing you about what they do to your skin. So let me know in the comment section what you want me to review or anything you want to say to me. All right, and thank you for watching today's own. Remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you have not, and I'm going to see you on our next video up here. Let's continue our discussion. Remember to always smile because it is never out of fashion. Okay.